In the realm of electric vehicles, where innovation and aesthetics often collide, the Tesla Model Y Uberturbine Wheel Covers stand out as a beacon of design and excellence. Compatible with the Model Y 19-inch wheel size, let's dive into what makes these wheel covers a possible sleek addition to your Tesla Model Y. Upon unboxing the Tlyard Uberturbine Wheel Covers, the first thing you'll notice is the meticulous attention to detail. Each cover is individually wrapped, a thoughtful touch that minimizes the risk of scratches during shipping. Right out of the box, these wheel covers impress with their flawless finish and eye-catching design. The inclusion of protective cotton strips for the edges is a thoughtful addition, aiming to reduce friction, prevent scratches, and perhaps even mitigate road noise. The box also includes Tesla logo hubcap center covers, offering an optional customization for those who prefer a more pronounced Tesla branding. However, I opted out for a more subtle look. I appreciated the flexibility to forego these center covers without compromising the aesthetic. The installation process is straightforward. First, you want to remove the existing aero covers. Grasp the aero covers firmly with both hands. Pull the aero covers towards you to release the retaining clips. To install the Tlyard Uberturbine Wheel Covers, align the Tlyard Uberturbine Wheel Cover with the valve stem. Firmly press the center of the cover to secure it in place. Then work your way out to firmly pressing the outer perimeter of each spoke. You may need to hold on to the opposite side of the cover until all spokes are secured. Firmly press the center of the cap with your hands to ensure it is secured. As a final check, quickly pull each spoke to confirm they are secured in place. Okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons. For pros, it instantly adds a sportier, more upgraded look to your Tesla Model Y, enhancing its road presence without the need for a significant investment. Also, the integration with the standard Tesla wheel cover buckle design ensures a hassle-free installation experience. Another pro is they come equipped with protective cotton to mitigate friction and prevent scratches, maintaining the pristine condition of your wheel covers. And the last pro, despite the upgrade, these wheel covers do not add any noticeable ride noise, maintaining the tranquil driving experience Tesla is known for. Okay, now for the cons. The only drawback noted is the size of the air hole access port, which could be larger to facilitate easier removal of the air stem cap. The Tesla Model Y Uberturbine Wheel Covers offer a stylish accessory option for the vehicle, blending design appeal with practical utility. I appreciate their sleek look, which contributes positively to the vehicle's appearance, alongside an installation process that is designed to be user-friendly. These covers not only aim to safeguard the wheel's surface, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of the Tesla Model Y. While there's a slight hiccup with the air hole access port, this minor issue doesn't significantly diminish my favorable view of these hubcaps. In my opinion, they represent a worthwhile option for Tesla Model Y owners interested in upgrading their vehicle's look. In closing, the Tesla Model Y Uberturbine Wheel Covers from Tlyard exemplify the seamless fusion of style and simplicity, embodying Tesla's dedication to design excellence. These covers provide Tesla Model Y owners an effortless way to elevate their vehicle's aesthetic appeal, offering a sleek and understated upgrade that enhances the overall look without altering the car's original design ethos. It's this blend of elegance and straightforward functionality that positions the Tlyard Uberturbine Wheel Covers as a distinguished choice for those seeking to personalize their Tesla's appearance, showcasing that true refinement lies in the subtlety of enhancements. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny, signing off. We'll see you on the next one.